Hi you guys, welcome back to Beauty by Psalms, where God's beauty and Psalms beauty are one of the same. In this video, you will see me create a red, blue, and white July 4th inspired makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, well, sit back, relax, grab a drink, and let's get into the video.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
And my theme week, for sure. This look screams dynamite and fireworks. What do you guys think? Come on, talk to me. If you agree, comment down below, share it with your family, friends, and give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon button to be notified when a video is uploaded. Until next time, thanks for joining me on Beauty by Psalms, reminding you that God's beauty and Psalms beauty are one of the same. I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed week. Bye. And now it's time for Psalms Bible Quote of the Day, taken from Psalm 70, verse 1. Make haste, O God, to deliver me. Make haste to help me, O Lord. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.